In this video, I will tell you how to download from docs any PDF, how to save any files. So first open docs, your apps. After that, choose your files. So I choose this file. Okay. So I want this file, this document export PDF. So open, then three dot click and go to share and export. After that, add save button choose you, and many types this is here. So I choose PDF document and OK, choose. After that, save and convert and PDF my files. So I download in phone, in mobiles. So here this click download. So few second wait, download section, this is here. You can open this PDF. This is my PDF files. So this way use, very simple. If you not understand my side information, so this instruction you can use first, second, third, fourth and 5, and your problem solve. I hope you. So I meet you next video. Like and share my videos and channel.